Hi, in this video we will discuss what are the advanced features in profit and loss report in Sage Business Cloud accounting software. First, we can generate the profit and loss report from reports, financial statements, and we can select profit and loss. From this screen, we can add our required filters and selections, and we can generate the report. In addition to that, we can generate the profit and loss report from accountants area, reports, management reports, and profit and loss. First, we can select the date range. We can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year, custom dates, and all. Now, if you select custom dates, you can select specific date range. And if you select all, system will display all date range, profit and loss. Next, there's option cost of sales based on purchase or sales. If you select purchases, system will calculate the gross profit from all purchases. If you select sales, system will calculate only sold items cost of sales to the cost of sales. Now, for an example, if you purchase 1000 items at 10 rupees and you have sold only one, if you select sales, it will add 10 to cost of sales, 10 calculate from we have sold only one. And if you select purchases, then we have purchased 1000 and unit rate is 10. So if you select purchases, it will display 10,000. Next, if you have projects or if you have created analysis code, I'll duplicate this tab, and you can create analysis codes from the company. You can select analysis codes. From here, you can create your analysis codes, and we may have projects, departments, or branches like that. We can create analysis codes, and if you have analysis codes, you can filter by your analysis codes. Then there's another option, group by. You can group by this profit and loss report from monthly, quarterly, yearly. Now I have selected monthly. If you select quarterly, and if you group by monthly, quarter, this option, from here you can select month. Then if you select yearly, you can select month or quarterly, and if you select all, you can select yearly. Like that, by selecting the correct date range, you can select these options. Next, if you have analysis code, you can select analysis codes, and you can select the analysis code. The system will generate the profit and loss report by analysis code, and each analysis code category has a column. Now, for an example, if you select project, project 1 has one column, project 2 has another column, like that. And if you haven't assigned any cost or income to in particular project, system will display that income or expense under uncategorized. In addition to that, you can view the total of the cost. And if you want to compare with the last year, you can select yearly here. Then this button checkbox will activate. You can select last year, and if you want budget, you can get the budget and budget variance. And if you want to view by decimal places, if you want to view the decimal places also, you can check this checkbox. Then there's another option, reporting group detail. If you have reporting grouping, you can group your reports from accounts, reports, and account listing. From here, you can group your accounts. You can go to accounts, account reporting groups, and you can group your accounts. Now, if you want finance charges, then you can select bank charges, forex charges, and you can create a new group. Finance expenses, and you can select now those accounts grouped by under finance expenses, like that. From here, if you want to group by accounts, you can check this option, or if you uncheck, it will view the, or it will display the total amounts. Right, next, now these are the options. In addition to that, if you want to exclude any account, you can select that account, and you can view the report. Okay, like this, you can view your profit and loss report. It will display the heading profit and loss report, your company name, date range, cost of sales based on sales, like that. You can view the report. You can view sales, total for sales, cost of sales, total for cost of sales, gross profit, other income, expenses, net profit, income tax, and net profit or loss after tax. You can view. If you want, you can print to PDF, or you can export to PDF, Excel, or CSV. And if you want to print, or you can email this report. Right now, we will generate report again based on their filters. Now I have selected monthly. I'll remove this budget and budget variances. Right. I select monthly, and view the report. Now you can see month of October, profit and loss report, sales, cost of sales, other income, expenses, and net profit. I'll duplicate this tab, and next tab I will generate the same profit and loss report based on purchases. Okay. Here I select cost of sales based on purchases. Now previous report is cost of sales based on sales. Now you can see it's 40,000 cost of sales. Here cost of sales is 0 because we haven't purchased in this period. select supplier invoices. Right, now you can see we will sort, this is our supplier invoices list. We will sort by date. Now we are in the month of October. We have generated the report for month of October. In the month of October, there's no any supplier invoices. Therefore, if you select cost of sales based on purchases, there's no any cost of sales. Therefore, gross profit is 60,000. In this report, I have selected cost of sales based on sale, and sales is calculated, cost of sales is calculated based on sold items. So therefore, that particular sold item cost is 40,000. Therefore, 40,000 will display under cost of sales, and gross profit is 20,000, that sales minus cost of sales. Right. That is the difference between purchases and sales. Next, again, I'll select quarterly, this profit and loss report. Then system will display October to December. Next, now in this field also you can select current quarter, last quarter, and other quarters in the last years. And I select last quarter. This is July to September. You can view the sales, cost of sales, other income, expenses, like that. In this tab, I'll select same date range, quarterly, last quarter, cost of sales based on sales, and here I'll select group by month, quarter, year, and select month from this drop down menu and refresh. Now you can see you can view separate month wise, July, August, September, and you can view the total. Like that, if you select yearly, you can select quarterly here. You can group by quarter. You can see quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and total. Furthermore, you can select or you can group by month. Now you can view the profit and loss report month-wise, and you can view the total also for this year. Right, next we will select project. We select project 1. And if transaction there, it will display like this. And next we'll select project 2. Under project 2, there's no transactions, or there's some exchange win loss, like that. If you want, you can filter by project twice. Next, if you have a different analysis code, now in this company there are 3 analysis codes: project, department, and branch. If you want, you can select the branch and generate the report. Like that, you can view the branch name here. Next, you can select this analysis codes, group by analysis code, and you can select from which analysis code category you can view the report. I select project and refresh. Now system will display project-wise profit and loss report. And if you haven't assigned any expense to any particular project, system will display those income or expenses under uncategorized column. And you can view the total. Like that, you can generate the report by grouping analysis code. Now you can see that there's a decimal value. Now in these reports, decimal values not display. If you check this checkbox, decimal values, and if you refresh, you can view the decimal values. Here, no decimal values. If you tick decimal values checkbox, system will display the decimal values for these values. Next, now you can see these other checkboxes inactivated: last year, budget, and budget variance. If you select or if you group by month, again those checkboxes will activate. Okay. If you select analysis codes and if you select any project, these checkboxes will inactivated. So we will select, or we will group by month, quarter, year. And if you want to compare, now we have selected yearly. System will display current year profit and loss report. I'll use the other tab. Now here I'll select yearly and I'll select compare with last year. Now you can see previous year values display and current year values will display. Previous report only 1 year. If you check this last year, compare with last year, system will display last year and this year values. By using these values, you can compare how the company is performance compared to last year. Next, if you have a budget, you can select that budget and you can view the actual versus budget. Now here is the actual and this is budgeted values. And if you want budget variance, you can check this display budget variance. And you can view the actual budget and the variance. Now if you have performed over the budget, it will display blue color, and if your expenses higher than the budgeted value, it will show as a red color. Okay, so if you perform well, it will than the budget, it will display blue color, and if you have performed below the budget, it will display red color. Next, if you use this last year and if you select budget, that last year text box will automatically unchecked, and can refresh and you can view the actual and budget. Next, if you want to exclude any account like this, you can select that account and you can generate the profit and loss report. Right, like that, according to your requirement, you can customize this profit and loss report and you can generate the report. Finally, you can export this report to PDF. You can export to Excel, CSV, and you can print or email this report. Thank you.